Hey middies, welcome back. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Logitech camera in your classroom. You're going to notice that you have 4 pieces of equipment. I'm going to walk you through those right now. You have your Logitech camera itself with a tripod. Over here, you have your USB cable. This is your charger. And this is your remote. Note that the remote is unique to the camera. On the back of the unit, you're going to see 3 plugs. You're only going to need to use the 2. The one on the left is used to connect the camera to your Chromebook. The one in the middle, the circle one, is the charger. You're going to plug in the charger to the wall and the USB to your Chromebook. Once I have both cables hooked up, one to the electric, one to the Chromebook, I am then going to connect my Chromebook to my monitor. From here, it's up to you how you want to set up your individual class with the camera, Chromebook, and monitor. This is set up in a way for demonstration purposes only. So on my Chromebook, let's say I have my Jamboard open and ready to go, and I'll start off with a Google Meet on how to correctly set that up. I'm going to click a new tab. I'm going to drag this tab to the extend my screen, go to meet.google.com. All right, if this is your first time doing this, you want to go to the gear for your settings. From here, you're going to have your options for both microphone and your speakers. So you'll see I have audio. Click this. I want to make sure it says Logitech. And I want to make sure it says Logitech right here also. In addition to that, video, I can see a preview. The Logitech is working. I am all set up and good to go as far as the Google Meet goes with the Logitech camera. I'm going to close that. And then I am going to start this new meeting. Once it's all plugged in and working with your controller, you may want to practice this a little bit to where you can have the camera follow you and aim it in a particular area. To the left, you have your audio, and to the right, you have the ability to zoom. If I wanted to write something on the board, this isn't the ideal spot. I would have the camera angled. In addition to that, if you want it oriented towards something you're going to write on the board, or for instance, you have a book that you want to read and display to the class, you can do so. And that's the initial setup for a Google Meet. Now let's jump to if you use Zoom. For Zoom, it's the same idea. Say I have my lesson open, I'm going to open a new tab. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to put this on the big screen. I'm going to go to Zoom. I'm going to either click join or host a meeting. In this circumstance, I'm going to join with video, and I can see that my Logitech camera is recognizing my hand right here. Now that the Zoom meeting is rolling, I have the option to switch between the Logitech camera and the camera that is on my Chromebook. Where it says video, I'm going to click the chevron, and checked off is Logitech Meetup. This is what I want. And then from here, I could go about my lesson, reading a book, so on and so forth. If I need to demonstrate something on the board, I can. If I need to do something on the fly and switch back to my camera on the Chromebook, I can do so by clicking front camera. Switching back to the Logitech camera. Boom, you're good to go. I hope this basic walkthrough helps. If you have any questions, email techtosa@ecsdm.org. Take care.